Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use a TM3 analog input card on a Schneider M221 PLC. In Machine Expert Basic Configuration, we want to drag the analog card next to the PLC. If we double-click the module, we can do some settings. Here we can activate which input slots we want to be active and which type, such as 4 to 20 milliamps or 0 to 10 voltage. Since I used a 4 to 20 milliamp simulator, I will stick with that. At the minimum and maximum, we can set of which range we want the scaling. I will set it to 0 to 100. I will save these settings and go to the Programming tab. Here I will add a simple rung of code that moves the module's input to a memory word tag. I will set up an animation table so we easily can see the values. I will now download these settings and program to the PLC. I will now test this out. As you can see, when the simulator is at 20 milliamps, the value will be at 100. And when it goes down to 4 milliamps, the value on the PLC will be 0. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.